So after looking the whole bike over, trying to figure out where's going to be the best place to start, and I figure I probably ought to get power everywhere first, because obviously without power nothing's going to work. In order to have power, you have to have a fuse box. And it actually has to be connected to the wiring harness. So I'm going to resolder what they've cut off, reattach it here. I need to replace the ignition switch so I can turn my key on and off, and also back here I'm going to have to hook up the regulator rectifier. Looks like they've cut that apart as well. So I'm going to start with all that and go from there. Good news so far. Your tail light's on, brake light works, horn works, turn signals try to flash, there's no bulbs on them. But the best part, starter works. Go ahead and put the ignition coils on next and see if I can't get this just to pop off. Got all 4 cylinders hooked up, all the spark plugs are in, got the new coils on, all connected. Left coil is going to 1 and 4, the right coil is going to 2 and 3. Real quick, just before I go any further, I want to make sure that All 4 cylinders are going to be firing. Obviously the carburetor probably need to be cleaned. It's been sitting for a while. But I'm just going to spray a quick shot of fuel in each cylinder and turn it over and just see if it'll fire. Start with 4, work our way to 1. Firing there. Firing there. Firing there. Firing there. Cool, that's a good sign. I wasn't sure if it ran or not.